Hello everyone! Welcome to Choice Abacus Ninjas, where we train the brain bit by bit. My name is Miss Naza, and today I'm so excited to introduce you to the world of the abacus. These simple tools that makes solving mathematics super fun and easy. So what is an abacus? An abacus is one of the oldest calculating tools in the world. Even before calculators and computers came into existence, we've been using abacus to solve mathematics. We use it to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers, no matter how big they are. This little tool here makes it super easy to do these basic operations. Now, let's take a closer look at this abacus and learn the parts of the abacus. This is the frame. These are the upper beats. These are the lower beats. This is the beam and the rods. The rods hold the beads together. It holds it firmly. Okay, this is the student abacus and this is the teacher's abacus. So we'll be demonstrating using the teacher's abacus. This is my own. So before we start our demonstration, we have two special fingers that we use on the abacus, which is the index and the thumb. You move in with the thumb and return with the index. You move in with the thumb and return with the index. And there are two special words we use to say add and subtract. When you want to add, you say move in. When you want to subtract, you say return. So we move in with the thumb and return with the index. Now let's demonstrate on the abacus. Like I said, we move in with the thumb and return with the index. So this is one bead, and this one bead represents 1. This one represents 1, this represents 1, and this represents 1. But the upper bead, every upper bead represents 5 in its place value. So move in 1, we move in 1 with our thumb. Return 1, we return 1 with our index. Move in 2. When you hear move in 2, you don't move in 2, you move in first one and move in the second one. No. When you hear move in 2, you use your thumb and move in 2 at once. Return 2, you return 2. Move in 3, you move in 3. Return 3 with our index. Move in 4, return 4. So this is how to move in with our special fingers. Then every bead at the top, all the upper beads represents 5. So when you hear move in 5, for the upper bead, we use our index to move in and use our index to return. So when you hear move in 5, you move in 5 with your index, return with your index. Move in 5, return 5. Move in 1, return 1. Move in 3, return 3. So this is how to use the abacus to move in and return on the abacus using our two special fingers. So when I tell you to move in 5, move in 2, what's our answer? Our answer is 7, because you moved in 5 and moved in 2. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. This is how you use the abacus to solve mathematics. Isn't that cool? So, with this little demonstration that we've done, you can see that children can learn very fast, solve mathematics using the abacus. It is very, very fun and very, very easy. Abacus doesn't just help you to solve mathematics alone. It helps children to build their concentration. It helps them to build their speed. Because using the abacus to solve mathematics, you get to a point where you start visualizing your abacus. You don't need to solve from the abacus again. You don't need to solve touching your abacus. You solve using the abacus that you can visualize. Yes, when children learn how to use the abacus, they can start visualizing it. And that's when you tell them, move in 2, move in 1, move in 1, return 4, move in 2, move in 1, return 3. What's your answer? 0. Yes, it is super fun and easy. I know you would like to join us. At Choice Abacus Ninjas, we help children learn how to solve the mathematics in a fun style using our super fun Abacus Ninja style. If you love your child to become a mass ninja, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you will get the notification anytime we upload a video. Thank you. Bye.